Saab has received an order from the Swedish Defence Materiel Administration (FMV) for the procurement of additional LITENING 5 target designator pods, including maintenance capabilities. The order is valued at 390 million Swedish kroner. LITENING 5 is used in the precision designation of targets through laser targeting and target tracking. FMV previously ordered this version of LDP for Gripen E, and are also now integrated on Gripen C, D. This order comprises the additional pods, maintenance and spare parts. By building up a maintenance capability for this version of target designation pod, Saab is ensuring that the Swedish Armed Forces can maintain them within Sweden's borders, says Lars Tossman, head of Saab's Aeronautics business area. The pods and maintenance capabilities will be delivered to FMV in 2026.